Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Odyssey, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the ignition switch fuses are located. You may have up to 4 fuses, guys. Make sure you stay until the end. In two different fuse boxes, we're going to explain where, well, actually 3 different fuse boxes. That's right, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered for your convenience today. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So ignition switch fuses, guys, where they're located, we're going to demonstrate on 2015 Honda Odyssey right here. You guys have up to 5 different fuse boxes, but fortunately we'll work only in 3 of them. The first one, okay, is on the driver's side, under the dash, right under the pedals, guys. If you look upside down, all the way upside down, you're going to see that fuse box layout right here. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's super important, guys, to always test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we need to check here, we're going to zoom in a little bit, and you can see that next to every fuse you will have a number, and if you come in that row right here, fuse number 24, okay, that will be the one right here. That fuse number 24, guys, will need to be checked. Now if you open the hood on your Honda Odyssey, under the hood you have 2 different fuse boxes. This is the main fuse box, that's the one that we need to open first. And here, guys, okay, we'll need to check fuse number 3. We're talking about, okay, that fuse right here, that's fuse number 3, 15M fuse. And then under the hood you have a secondary fuse box. We're talking about that one right there, guys, okay, that one right here. Open that fuse box and it's going to look, okay, let me show you now. It's going to look just like this one right here. Now here you have, guys, 2 special fuses that are known as multi-block fuses, consist of 8 individual fuses, and let me show you what they look like that. And if you remove it, it looks on the side. You're looking at it on the side, you can see each of those fuses. If one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse, unfortunately. Good news, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price. So here now, guys, if you come here, we need to find fuse number 3, which is that fuse right here, and starting from this side you count 1, 2, the second fuse right here, so that's known as 3-2. That's the fuse, guys, for the ignition switch as well. We have 2 more fuses, by the way, that you may have, and depending, guys, okay, on the generation year it may differ, but we're talking about fuse number 6 and 7 you may have here as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.